Hey, good afternoon, guys. Here at Cliff Jones RV and Tractor in Sealy, Texas. All right, guys, I got two tractors to show you about. One's going to be the Coyote, both are Coyotes. This is going to be the NX4510, which is a 45 horse with the hydrostatic transmission. The other one's going to be the DK43220, also with the hydrostatic transmission. Lifting capacity of this one is 2,700 pounds. This one right here is going to be 2,400 pounds. Okay, they're both air conditioning and heating, four-wheel drive. They do have a spot for a radio in there. Also, universal skid steer buckets, four-wheel drive on and off on there. Both tractors will have a 6-year powertrain warranty and 2 years bumper to bumper on everything else. One has more options than the other. Watch our YouTube channel to show you the full specs. Y'all have a good day, guys.